In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a book icon in Figma using the Iconify plugin. This method is fast, clean, and gives you access to thousands of high-quality icons across different styles, from simple outlines to bold-filled shapes. If you're designing an education platform, a reading app, a documentation page, or any layout that needs a book symbol, this tutorial will make it incredibly easy. Let's get started. First, open your Figma design file. It doesn't matter whether you're in the browser or the desktop app. The process is identical. Once your file is open, look down at the bottom toolbar and click on the resources icon. This button opens the panel that lets you browse and launch plugins. In the resources search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the largest icon libraries available inside Figma, and it brings in icon sets from material symbols, Fluent, Feather, Heroicons, Bootstrap icons, Carbon icons, and many others. When you see Iconify appear in the list, click Run to launch the plugin. The Iconify panel will open on the right side of your screen. Before searching, choose the icon library you want. You'll see options like material symbols, material design, icons, Fluent, Feather, and more. For this tutorial, material symbols is a great choice because it offers multiple styles of book icons, outlined, rounded, sharp, two-tone, and bold variants, but you can choose any library depending on the look you're going for. Once you've selected your preferred library, go to the search bar inside Iconify and type book. Immediately, you'll see a collection of book-themed icons, open books, closed books, reading icons, book outlines, document-style icons, and even study or library symbols. You can scroll through and preview them to find the style that fits your design. Click on the book icon you like, and Iconify will instantly place a vector version of it onto your Figma canvas. Because it's vector-based, you can scale it to any size without losing sharpness. If you want a precise size, like 24 pixels, 32 pixels, or 48 pixels, use the width and height fields in the right-hand panel. You can also recolor your book icon in seconds. Just select it and open the fill color settings in the right sidebar. Choose your brand color, neutral gray, pure black, or whatever your UI theme requires. The icon updates instantly. If you want to create a set of book icons, for example, a filled version and an outline version for active and inactive states, simply select a different variant from Iconify and place it on your canvas. It's the easiest way to build stateful icon systems in Figma, and that's all you need to do. Open your file, launch the Iconify plugin, choose your library, search book, and drop the perfect book icon into your design. It's fast, flexible, and gives you a huge range of stylistic options with almost no effort.